How to fix Discord game activity not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the Discord application on your device. So for that, just search for the Discord application on the Google Play Store. And as you can see, there is no option of update, which means that the app is updated to its latest version on my device. After that, we're going to go back to the home screen and then make a long press on Discord application. Then tap on app info and it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and tap on delete all data. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. So you just have to go to every option and give them the access. After that, your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.